Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating power and boot issues. That tells you if this is electrical or software. First, remove the backplate and test the battery with a multimeter, because voltage reveals charge health. Once done, visually inspect connectors and clean any corrosion with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush. Corrupted contacts cause intermittent failures. Next, attempt a safe mode boot by holding power plus volume down to determine whether an app or firmware is blocking normal startup. Now you move into careful disassembly to access the core faults. You should photograph each stage and label screws, because reassembly requires correct placement. Poor documentation is the main reassembly issue. Gently reseat all flex cables and display connectors. You'll be surprised how often a partially seated cable causes no display or touch failure. If you have spare modules, swap the battery, screen, or modem to isolate the defective component. This substitution method narrows the problem quickly and reliably. Finish by installing the identified replacement parts and reassembling with care. Use ESD-safe tools to avoid electrostatic damage and tighten screws just enough to secure components without stripping. Once reassembled but before sealing adhesive, perform a full functional check. Make a call, test Wi-Fi, cameras, touch response, and complete a battery charge/discharge cycle to confirm stability. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to reproduce the failure step by step while logging observation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.